You can stress out trying to get rich quick, or you can do what Warren Buffett does. He doesn't gamble, he waits. Here is the secret formula that made him billions. Rule 1. Price is not value. Buffett's teacher, Ben Graham, invented Mr. Market. Imagine a crazy neighbor who yells prices at you every day. Sometimes he is drunk and offers to sell you a house for $10. Sometimes he asks for $1 million. Ignore his mood swings. Look at the house. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Rule 2. The margin of safety. This is the most important rule. Imagine building a bridge. If a 10,000-pound truck drives on it, build the bridge to hold 30,000 pounds. Why? In case you are wrong. In stocks, this means buying a dollar bill for 50 cents. If you buy cheap enough, you can't lose. Rule 3. Don't buy cigar butts. A cigar butt is a bad company that is super cheap. It has one puff left, but it's gross. Buffett learned to buy castles instead. A castle is a wonderful company with a moat, like a strong brand or patent that protects it. Buy castles, not trash. Rule 4. Be a learning machine. Charlie Munger said, "I have known no wise people who didn't read all the time." Investing isn't just math. It is psychology. It is history. You have to be smarter than the crowd. And rule 5, patience. You need the temperament to do nothing for years while your money grows. Value investing is simple, but it isn't easy. It requires you to be boring when everyone else is excited. But if you start your snowball now, it will be unstoppable later. Do you want to gamble or do you want to build wealth? The choice is yours. Subscribe for more financial wisdom.